Some say a reminder of the opulent villas surrounding Italy's Lake Como. Only difference is, I'm on 9 acres overlooking the Pacific. Take a drive down my private driveway or stroll along my expansive lawns and old world gardens. You'll see for yourself. Do you prefer panoramic ocean views or panoramic mountain views? With me, you don't have to choose. Look out either side of my 2,000 square foot master suite, or maybe just enjoy the mountains while reading a book in the library under leather paneled ceilings. Or just enjoy the ocean view with tea in my dining room underneath the Murano glass chandelier. In fact, maybe the ocean view's best seen with breakfast in the kitchen. Not big on ocean views? How about a soothing swim in my glass tiled pool? I'd say I'm a rare blend of luxurious architecture, gardens, and views. But as Coco Chanel once decreed, luxury must be comfortable, otherwise it's not luxury. I can't say I disagree, which leads me to ask the question, what's comfort for you? A brick-covered wine cellar? Your own theater with 3 levels of terrace seating? Your own personal bar with a classic jukebox and pool table? Or is it an arcade with table hockey? No, my mistake. Maybe you're an outdoorsman. How about tennis with a viewing cabana alongside a reflecting pool and fountain? Might you be wondering where I am? I'm just a stone's throw away from downtown Montecito's Coast Village Road, a world-famous shopping and dining destination. On paper, I'm called 1627 East Valley Road. My real name? I'll leave that up to you.